So is now a good time to sell your home or not so much? I've got the answer for you coming up. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor, broker in Clearwater, Florida, here on the Suncoast. Welcome. It's good to have you here. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel below so you can get to know the market. That's how you get your best deal every time. And if you hit the like button every once in a while, we can be friends. Now, back to our question. Is this a good time to sell your home or not? If you are thinking about selling your house, here's something that may interest you. According to a recent Fannie Mae report, the number of people who feel like it's a good time to sell is on the increase. Why is that? Well, here's our theory. Spring and early summer are usually the best times to sell. That's because this is the time of year when most people are on the move. So buyer demand ticks up, and that usually leads to houses selling a little bit faster and sometimes for a little more money. When you're ready to get in on the action and make the most of today's market, let's talk. And finally, everybody knows the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. We've added 3 rules of our own: honesty, integrity, and passion. We love the Suncoast. We've sold from Hudson to Sarasota and everything in between. Glad to have you here. Appreciate the visit. Please subscribe to the channel below. Stay updated with 3 great new videos every week. You can see your home's estimated value, by the way, at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. Yeah, it's fast, it's free, it's easy, and we can set you up on monthly updates. Those valuations change week to week, month to month sometimes. Have a great day.